both know I'm not what you need. Ah! No! I'll stop. And I will always love. Ah! Alright. I'll stop. Let go. I'll stop.
I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Under the Tenderloin. Sarah.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places. Oh, God, it hurts.
In my life, I felt so self-assured, but suddenly it's all changed. She's a cloud that hangs above my world, and I find myself wandering in the rain. Now I can't go on. I am lost, living inside myself.
So it's so simple, she don't know what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. And when you smile, the whole world stops and says for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
We are the ones who wanna play, always wanna go, but you never wanna stay. Ow! And we are the ones who wanna choose, always wanna play, but you never wanna lose. That hurts. We are the story of the impossible. I tell